Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 16th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest and greatest from the world of technology, artificial intelligence, and automotive innovation. As always, links to all the stories we discuss can be found in the episode notes. So let's get started. First up, we have some exciting news from the world of electric vehicles. Tesla has announced a significant update to its Autopilot system, which promises to enhance the driving experience with improved lane-keeping capabilities and more accurate obstacle detection. This update is part of Tesla's ongoing commitment to refining its autonomous driving technology, making it safer and more reliable for users. The update will be rolled out over the air to all compatible Tesla models, ensuring that drivers can benefit from these advancements without needing to visit a service center. In other Tesla news, the company has reported a record-breaking quarter in terms of vehicle deliveries. With over 500,000 units delivered in the last 3 months, Tesla continues to solidify its position as a leader in the electric vehicle market. This surge in deliveries can be attributed to the increased production capacity at Tesla's gigafactories and the growing demand for sustainable transportation options worldwide. Switching gears to the realm of artificial intelligence, OpenAI has unveiled its latest language model, which boasts improved natural language understanding and generation capabilities. This new model is designed to assist developers in creating more sophisticated AI applications, from chatbots to content generation tools. OpenAI's advancements in AI technology are paving the way for more intuitive and human-like interactions between machines and users. Meanwhile, in the tech industry, Apple has announced its latest lineup of products, including the much-anticipated iPhone 16. The new iPhone features a revolutionary camera system, enhanced battery life, and a sleek design that is sure to captivate consumers. Additionally, Apple has introduced a new line of MacBooks powered by their latest M-series chips, promising unprecedented performance and efficiency for both casual users and professionals alike. Finally, let's talk about a fascinating development in the world of renewable energy. Researchers have made a breakthrough in solar panel technology, achieving a new record in energy conversion efficiency. This advancement could significantly reduce the cost of solar energy and accelerate the transition to a more sustainable energy future. The research team is optimistic that this technology will soon be ready for commercial deployment, bringing us one step closer to a greener planet. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Remember, you can find links to all the articles we discussed in the episode notes. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of technology, AI, and automotive innovation. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.